Today's lesson is on changing a fraction to a decimal. We are not going to use the method that is taught in our orange or yellow books. I taught the students the traditional, old-fashioned way of turning a fraction into a decimal. So for number 3 in their orange book, for lesson 21 homework, you have to prove that 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4, and you must do that by decimals. So we learned today that when you take a fraction like 6/8, tip it over so that it becomes a division problem, 8 into 6. Before you do any dividing, put a decimal point and 2 zeros, and then put a decimal point directly above, up top in your answer. Now it's just regular long division. Dad, mom, sister, brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So 8 cannot go into 6, so we put a 0. 8 can go into 60 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract and bring down the next number. Divide again. 8 into 40 goes 5 times. And 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract. You have no more numbers to bring down. 6/8 as a fraction is equivalent to 0.75. But we are not done, because you must prove that what 3/4 is equal to. If it is equivalent, it will be equivalent to 0.75. Tip it over. 4 goes into 3. Add the decimal point and the 2 zeros, and put the decimal point directly above. 4 cannot go into 3, but it can go into 30 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract and bring down the 0. 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract here, and you get 0 with no remainder. And they are, in fact, equivalent. And we proved it by doing it in the traditional way, which is how we're going to do all these problems tonight.